As a self-directed investor, staying informed about the markets is essential. Researching trends and understanding market movements can help you spot new opportunities and make more confident decisions. In this video, we'll walk you through Markets, your central hub for staying informed. This hub gives you a quick, up-to-date look at what's happening in the markets. You'll see major index performance, your customized watch lists, daily market research reports, market news, top performers, and market movers. Everything you need all in one place. Indices and commodities. At a glance, you can view major indices and commodities. Want a quick visual? Select Show Charts on the top right. You can also explore tabs for Canadian, US, or world indices. Watch list. On the right-hand side, you'll find your personalized watch list. This makes it easy to track securities that matter most to you without leaving the page. Daily market research reports. Get quick access to daily research reports right from this section. To explore, simply select More Reports. Market news. For even more insights, use the Markets menu at the top of the page and click News. Stay up to date with top news stories, daily market updates, expert commentary, and articles from industry professionals. Rates and commodities. Here, you can explore real-time data on rates and commodities. This section gives you a quick access to exchange rates, commodity prices like oil and gold, and key interest rates. Top performers and market movers. Curious about what's trending today? This section highlights which equities are making the biggest moves in today's market. For more details, select the individual widgets or use the Markets menu to dive deeper. Whatever your investing experience is, having a clear view of the markets can help you navigate your day with more confidence. By using the tools on the Markets tab, you'll have the information you need to support your investing journey.